Hi, welcome to Vyrol. In today's video, I'd like to show you how you can add a video to share page via Vyrol Studio. Okay, so let's just pretend that we've gone through our workflow from steps 1 to 8, and we have some recently videos that we've rendered out. I'm going to choose a specific video, and then in that I rendered out 3 videos, so I'm going to choose a specific format. And you'll see here that we have a next step, publish to Vyrol share page. Okay, now you can press the publish to share page, and you have the option of 3 different templates: promoting the video, converting, maybe it's a sales video or it's somebody that you want to contact to talk about your product more, and then after sales support for after that product or service has been sold. And once we publish the share page, it will use that specific template to assign a video to. Okay, once it's finished, we can access share pages up in the icon in the header, or we can select the share pages in the video section that you've just seen. So now we go to the share pages. What you will see is we have all the different videos that we've been creating on the share page side of things. We can access the different kind of videos that we've archived in the managed folders. Okay, so this is just a group of folders that enables us to organize our projects depending on if it's internal training, if it's pre-sales, if it's marketing, so on and so forth. Okay, right now we have 2 ungrouped videos, and one of them is the one that we've just created as a share page. Okay, so what I want to do is I can view by list of thumbnails, and I can also assign this video to a group, which I'm going to do now. So tutorials is the assignment, and then if I go back up to group now, I can choose my tutorial. What you will see here now is I can edit this share page. I can open it, it's live, so I can copy the link and distribute it straight away to a customer or internal staff, if you will. I can pause the share page so that link is expired, so nobody can access it. I can replace the kind of metadata, if you will, so I can reassign this specific template to a different section. But what's quite interesting is if I go to Vyrol share presets, this is where I can organize how the look and feel of the template is. Okay, so like I said before, we have promote, convert, and support. And we have all this metadata that we can fill in. We have some metadata that we've already customized for you. You can obviously override that and put your own content in, just to give you a little bit of a head start. Maybe there may be some nuggets that you may find interesting. We can add our call to actions, a link, our logo. We can stylize the background. We can add our font, our brand font, if you have a brand kit. Obviously your contact name and email, phone number, so on and so forth. And we have an array of templates that you can choose from. This will be expanded over the coming weeks and months. Certainly if customers have something in mind, we can build that template, no problem. We can choose how that template is going to look. So each of these templates have a different format depending on what that video is. And we can also add promotional banners and downloadable attachments, maybe a quotation, maybe some training information, a case study. So the idea being is we can just send the whole video link to the customer with whatever content that you wish to provide to them. And the beauty of it is everything is tracked. So how many times they've watched the video, they forwarded it on, how many things they've clicked, downloaded, shared, so on and so forth. Okay, and this will all be assigned in the analytics kind of tab, and it will give you a record of that you can export, you can share. So if I just filtered this again, so we go to tutorials quickly and we open the page, and you'll see in this instance is a very clean page. Shows you some metadata that we've added to that specific template. Of course, this is editable, so even though we have one master template, each unique share page can be editable and customized for you and your campaign. Okay, I hope you like it, and look forward to showing you all the additional features and workflow solutions that we have for Vyrol. Thanks a lot. Take care. Goodbye.